what's up YouTube? It's John Muro back again with another video. No, I'm just joking. I'm just doing another giveaway. I hope that everyone is having the best day ever. You know how we like to do it on this channel. So after much thought and consideration and from help from some of you subscribers, I have decided to do another giveaway. I want to let everybody know that I'm doing a $100 giveaway. Yes, you heard it right, another $100 giveaway. If we can hit 500 subscribers, then I'll give one of you lucky subscribers out there $100. Oh yeah. All you have to do for your chance to win is follow these 3 steps. Step number 1, you must be subscribed. Step number 2, you must smash that like button. Step number 3, in the comments below, write the word 500 go for your chance to win $100. If you want it in 520s, 250s, or $100 bill, however you prefer. It's like Bird King. You can have it your way. You can receive your payment in 2 ways. First way, Cash App or PayPal. But I will make sure that you get paid. So spread the word. Let everybody know about this $100 giveaway. Let's make it happen. The faster we hit our goal, the faster somebody gets paid. So that's all you have to do. Thank you so much for helping build this channel. Thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing. I owe it all to you guys. Until next time, I'm John Muro. Peace.